Senka Daddy Lumba nim se obewu amani wu achi no. Basa ye sei ana esi abusua enkonya nwuye. Enkobetwan nwu atoto eniema yie ansa na obewu a wowu. Efa Daddy Lumba na ye no ho nsense no ho nse na yile panyin eye Akosua Serwaa e de asem no akokot or eye no ho ntutu nyina akokot e ma no kra no. Wasiu abusa panyin asiu Odo Broni sansensem no. Akosua Broni lawyer abeka bi aka ho awochirim se Serwaa Broni wonyina yi na oye side check ya. You don't have right to be a widow. Me ma onchire mo no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say need you. Obe like video no rama, but subscribe button, somebody click notification for latest update. Somebody chira wadwen da ma me. E wo comment section. Me so baswa no share for so anya bi ahwe. Eje nanim atoranche ma eto Ghana abla Daddy Lumba. Ala say nyumtuni panyini Daddy Lumba. Oja mu to ye say oto anu mo siedo. Na ye no sensem no. Appear something which is there. About a week getting 2 weeks ago, and a date any via Babon say Lumba ye no, a because I will come as a Bayala Sports Stadium. Their share a 6 December 2025, and a bay in a year. As it was a one air train, I am to train the Adanabusian for nay and penny for and no more we are young to share a good so a young one near the day set up any other Ribia air cost near the Adeno. Out of nowhere, and it is say Lumba the penny, a Akosua Serwaa at the Assembly Echo Court. I say what the Abusuapanin Echo Court or the Odo Broni Echo Court. And I feel almost so more ye no one share no or do more Echo Court. And in 7 say 1. Or per se we are seeing now who said Lumba or Yere Bakope na eye or no Akosua Serwaa or no be empre. 2 eye national nipa Bakope any what to me say obedi kuna ewo honomo eye or no Akosua Serwaa. It is said Serwaa Broni and as Odo Broni Presofori carry no ho yes na wotwe da no na o wasie bie susu ye Serwaa ye no ho se on so ye widow no was it wonyai kura Odo Broni nyai say court enfo hye ento eye ni nyina so na ma wiase na hunu se ono nko a ye Akosua Serwaa no ono ene ye kunani ono obi empre ono betena kunani apaso na ono Akosua Serwaa no ono enye Lumba legal wife legally ono Lumba ehye ne kawa ewo Germany Montene so enye Ghana hampu Germany Montene so it ono ene ewiase nyanim se oye Lumba wife e ma se me buy na media na so bi mu just ma mi wodue bo ene because eye beba so 6 December wo de njan beto ye na because of that eye kura no ye to ahira to further notice say eye na be something which is there amana Odo Broni fans and supporters ebo gumbi any supplement na emu no ana Akosua Serwaa no lawyer abekasa na lawyer say no kan dey straight bullet to Serwaa Broni and I say Odo Broni any the camp or chirem say hey so your side check ya hey asembe krani o chirem say your side check ya you don't have any right to be a widow it Odo Broni dey onye steady na widow no on can who be
free Abusuapanin lawyer ho na krata num content ni say Serwaa Broni Akosua Serwaa sorry anya yire na odinsa abehu abusua nti onya yire nti on man nyekuna nti ode ba na bisa na say ya no kre o se nya no kre ni say adanse wo say oware Daddy Lumba no betimi dia ba ampa akofo ba na say German Civil Marriage Ordinance under Ordinance just a mremunu so be worry under Ordinance going to be married second wife. In fact, we worry under Ordinance you didn't find circular more at the end. That is the Abusuapanin can hit me. And the bear as we give Babani so me uncle court where they are beside the kit will be. You go beside court in Chile. Say, or no, I one under Ordinance no 2004. Ono na yiri anase Odo Broni a obetena Ghana one ne wo yere omu hu na ye yire na se e base court ka se Akosua Serwaa na yire dia na kuna no Akosua Serwaa nkwa na betumaye e bi se side chick nye kuna ana mpranso nye kuna mistress in Yukuna. And there are so many episodes, and then to Kakassia, the Nibuta, a passport here, you know. Name me a press movie. The court Mitchell had the way and son of December bar. I think be any hope. They are quite near bus stand for widow, near bus stand for side chick. On any one mobile now, I a yearly camera, obey Joe, I be the Abase. Kuna no dear. Our dear, I am Ra, and Yabusuapanin, Abusua, the Cato be a year, I am Ra. Ebi Abusuapanin, the Kakan, Konanka, Odo Broni Abusuapanin. Now, so opportunity for him, no. Nipano, you can also, or you buy a warren. And to know a court, you give the municipal banner, than a put in a better. So be worried under ordinance, whether German law, under German or Ghanaian law. Nasa, Oko Warren, one with a certificate of divorce. Napa wants some Covarina, some bar, and runs away.
Lawyer, me patrol, me percent me sign ebisa say, ebusian for a yebusian Penyah, any ye mame Akosua Serwaa. Oman tenase e ma oman kasa amfe yinu toto ye no ho ana.
According to Akosua Serwaa, there be omo impose decisions on her. I share the man who say my committee. And I have the cards in this. The national committee. Now decisions, you know. Omo take here Akosua Serwaa, for instance, we don't know about it. Or but here, for instance, for example, the 6th December date, you know. Within the Casa, I was so what to say, Omunya, because December Bonim. The one is so much of presidency, Omkoman and Success. And the Papa Moa, and Akosua Serwaa, yet, you know, a separate edition at Usain, Wakwantu, who by 6 Nebayama. The Matissa Abusuapanin and Gropo Casa, a Funi Abusuadia, the open on Bay. Impress, many of my against the Funi on the Bay and the Yomadia. A Funi Abusuadia by Yene and Ma, a Yere, Abusia, any fraternity will belong to. And the Yabusuapanin Kwana, you. Or be our interest, vested interest, they are account with your Funi and the Abusuadia. And so a Yene there, Akosua Serwaa will stick. A Yene there, the Ma, including Odo Broni Abusuapanin. And it is better said, Ombe George or no agree on things than say Abusuapanin about social media. No back on the Busa, no court, no back on the callings or bar or say Abusuapanin on Babana. They are money. Oh, such statements are provocative.
Me patrol calling say Usama Kwanana. No honorable. Okay.
What does it? I Bosu Casano, and moi. We are honorable now to make us say, we are can you to make us say, Abusuapanin, you are more prompt to confirm Panacrab and Yukuna. How can you make such a statement? And you have some, the Papa Money a pair. Your court in terms of the December date affected. The Becca Samina, Yenin, Daddy Lumba, Quine. Your Michael Jackson in Lumba. The Penyah celebrates very well. But that doesn't mean we should compromise our position as we do.
Enti me patrol na me bisa na chese on the 6th year o mo say se court India asem ni wi na chese mo makwa ma eye ni nkoso ana.
Oh, he no cry I application for injunction. Se court e mo hold you on me kan asem ni answer. Enti Tuesday court be chere na adi. So be hold you on and also be 60 days e be di assembling temtem. So na be ya December be do ni akan yi. Ye tima ya yi no. Remember he belongs to the state. And a year I have President Mama will stake home for a national hero. And you want to respect that. And we are ready to cooperate to ensure that everything is done. More I mean for entertainment for you. More stake where you do. And that was my opinion. Lumba not here in ISC. They have to get everybody involved so that we'll celebrate Lumba as we want to celebrate it.
Me patrol na ma serve ebusiafo no.
I 7. I was appending 7. Odo Broni as of Friday. Now Bailey to no kwa no afebe biafa. And John no yen 7. But transition from 7 because in the event that the court grants the injunction, they will be compelled not to release the body And the Yomo can send a bear, Obenya notices there, court say, you appreciate that. And that's what we are there. There are several transitions, several Abusuapanin. Odo Broni Abusuapanin Monday. So, Otiemia, or no Ambrano Media rate, no. Because Ojania, the Babatata, and Nina, Mantu, the same thing. Only, not the Omubia. I'm expecting her lawyer to advise her. So, we're a simple matter, a matter of law. What do you mean change, you know? You can't do otherwise. There are several tutorial authorities that HSA Odo Broni to be. And you more advice red table cooperative. Obianga say money may yes. Obianga say money play the role. And Kula 5 or 6 some kitwa. So we are ready to cooperate with them. Now yeah come on. But the kuna idea. We are jealously protecting it.
And lawyer na ye can na sesi a nipo be ye kuna no. Enu ti na ye de injunction ato body no so. Nampacho ye hu pictures bi say by abro mo presidency no. Ye hu say na ye mami Akosua Serwaa ne wofa e ka ho no mo koye enti
yes
me pacho abra se kono mo koye no mo kobo president amane mo ma hye date nana
yes so munya pan kobo president amane you say obi wo e dika kobo president amane aso ne hye date but this time around when they return they say o ma kobo president amane hye date 6th of December.
Okay. It's not just a date, on the 6th of December, no. Said the Mumedi Kanya Makokoti, I must serve Ebusia for no. Not just say, you watch you say, or Beba Kota na mashe the whole process na say. And sana, ye funa na say funa still a better was yen far. Kunane ma, ye mami Akosua Serwaa dia, not just say, ye nyendia some new.
No, purpose. Na unim unso manso bi timi kokko na di 5 years we enti sa
me pache
issue ni very simple court bit my order my mouth 2 weeks
okay
kocho wa no assembly na pa on krata we my mouth 2 weeks the 5th week member judgment no abuya but in the interest of the nation me abuya nti I assure you people I will make that application to the court. We will make sure Justice December date will not be affected by this action.
Okay, it will not be affected. Mr. One person bisa said, Nana, ye mami Akosua Serwaa, no onim so Odo Broni, no oni Lumba na neti, or ne nawo.
The attorney, Akosua Broni and me, according to him, I'm speaking for him, for her, sorry.
Okay.
Akosua Broni said,
Odo Broni.
The Akosua Serwaa.
Akosua Serwaa.
So Ghana.
Okay.
Ebesira nikunu obaye no. Nikunu ma Odo Broni na temu. Amane die. At the time, she didn't know say na omu crazy. I said, Obabi awo boano. I subsequently no be say okunu about that lady. Sounds in it here.
Okay.
Na bema no wakwa na omo oten bi bedi anko ze bi abamudie. Woni ho akọ kire ni say Jana Chidi. Ana Lumba so akoye say bet. O kan ho asem public na ogu na di ma. And the Akosua say o hwe na o hwe the nipa banzo hu eyawa wadi for all this while. O similar Lumba every Germany abano na akola tua no. And also o for medical attention on ya abrofo ni. And o ba. They hu dey see here. O san ba back no san ba e. So betina Ghana. That time, I'm going to 100,000 you. Yeah, oh yeah, you may be. Obedience to Abetina Ghana. Who pays for that money? And for the information of Ghanaians, she is there working because she has to pay the bill. And I won't want to disclose the people in the buy.
Okay. Okay.
What's that? And she's that, you know, when I say, and I will go back to her, and I also want back, and I will be agitated. It's never true. But in a year, every you know, just Odo Broni. But duty requires so much time. Now, death beyond fear. And unfortunately, go beyond to attack. Lumba had the year. And it could be growing. Odo Broni, because there's no way you can say that one play rule. Obia is now above a federal. Why, yes, we don't deny that fact. That is why we don't want to do anything to attack them. But the fact of wife is a law. So, when you're there, when you're one Lumba, a man, what remember, but that will not constitute or make you a wife necessarily. Put in the word, it doesn't make you a wife necessarily. A man to be one under ordinance. If you don't worry under ordinance, or what you can do. No, it's not. We better time or time because the rubber of woman. So, that's here. And the Papa and Yako was there.
Okay.
We educated the Ghanaian public about marriage. So when you are going to marry a man or you go cheese and what you're near ordinance, first ask for a certificate from divorce. Don't allow him to convince you to Penyah, because at the end of the day, the woman brothers, the only man in Canada or Master, who could no matter the crew, of course, but they're already different. And you'll be a Penyah different. And that's why I'm even excited being part of this.
Okay.
So that we educate the public from the public to know the state of the law.
It's about the state of the law na se si awo kano Germany law na oni mi enjai aware ye no eno no na se si ebo ye mame Akosua Serwaa ho ban.
That law we do Ghana your Ghana version, but when the German law na ebo Akosua Serwaa ho ban. German law says the one the back na for what the one from the criminal offense. And Lumba ne Odo Broni Abusuapanin, they committed a crime when they alleged commission of Wareno. They are party against that of criminal. But maybe you didn't go Wareno. Who you are not to put your foot up. When the Baba said you don't go Wareno. But for Wareno cry, now you're committing to
Okay. Inti bacho o ware no cry ye mame Akosua Serwaa onim.
Serwaa dwe mame comment section we ni nsem a Akosua Serwaa Daddy Lumba the first wife abeka wo sweet ma Serwaa dwe amame comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.